This is the Frugal Gardener. As you can see, the greenhouse is gone and it's time to prep the soil so that we can plant some seeds. Today, I'm going to plant two different types of watermelons, and I'm going to throw in a few cantaloupe seeds. That's going to go on this side, and on the far left here, we're going to do some more carrots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove about roughly 8 inches of soil from both sides. It's going to go in this container here. It's behind this post, and I'm going to add a couple of things that I have laying around the garden that would ordinarily go into the compost, namely leaves that I had left over from my collard greens that grew in here over the winter. I'm going to use that for nutrients, and I'm also going to throw in some grass clippings, because those things will keep the soil from compacting, and as I said, it will also add nutrients. So, time to get started. The grass seed is, well, the grass clippings are down, and now I'm going to add some coffee grounds for nitrogen. We drink a lot of coffee. I have the grounds, I might as well use them. And I've already incorporated roughly 3 or 4 pounds of my homemade compost to the soil, and now I'll add the soil back as well, and we'll be ready to plant. I usually don't remove the coffee grounds, the filters, because I don't use filters that have been bleached. So these will decompose in a very short period of time, and it won't be a problem. Okay, everything is taken care of. This is a 3-part raised garden. The straw over here is a repeat of last spring. This is where I planted 3 cucumber seeds. And out of those 3 seeds, I got 57 cucumbers. So, you know what they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I will be planting cucumbers just in this strip here. They'll grow along this outer rim here. But this is the section we've been working on today. This is, well, I'll show you. These are the seeds that I planted. These are the 20-cent watermelon seeds. That's what's predominantly in that space. These are a few of the yellow watermelon seeds. These will mature and be ready for harvest in 65 days because they're smaller. These will take 85 days because they're larger. And you're probably wondering why I would need to buy 3,000 cantaloupe seeds. I threw a couple of cantaloupe seeds in there. I'm actually growing cantaloupe seeds elsewhere in the garden, but was able to get a really good deal. I like to spread the wealth. So what I basically do is give seeds away to my relatives and friends and neighbors, and I freeze the rest. So I'll be using these seeds for the next couple of seasons. This area over here, this is going to be for carrots. Now I need to be careful about this section because I cannot have any obstructions or the carrots will turn out like those funny looking ones you see on these videos or in the pictures. So that's the whole thing. That's pretty much it. This is all done in and watered. I'll throw some soil over top of this straw here, add a few nutrients, and plant my cucumber seeds. And I won't use any straw here for obvious reasons, but I'll plant my carrots probably today. So that's it, guys. On to the next project. There's still lots to do, so I hope that you will follow my channel, and if you're not growing any of these things, you might want to give it a try. I mean, basically 2 months just to grow the smaller watermelon, so I would give it a shot. As always, comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. My garden is expanding. I'm going to be adding a lot this year, and I'm going to do things a little bit differently, so you might want to follow along. So as I said, subscribe, put your comments below, tell your friends, and like I always say, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys enjoy your day.